Welcome to the Craft Tessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY, we're going to make this pretty spring cloche using all items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. So for the first step to this project, I'm going to start with one of these plastic cloches from the Dollar Tree. You could get them where all the florals are. And I'm going to paint the base only with this Folk Art multi-surface paint in white. I'm going to give it a few coats and I'm going to let each coat dry in between. Now that's the only thing we're going to paint here. The cloche itself, obviously, is going to stay the way it is. So let's finish this part. So while I wait for the base to dry, we're going to work on step number 2. Now I got these adorable little mushrooms during Easter at the Dollar Tree, but I still saw them today, so I think they're still available. And we're going to use one of these wood slices. They come 3 in a pack, and you could find them in the Crafters Square section. Now what I'm going to do with the wood slice is I'm going to cover it with some moss. All I'm going to do is put some hot glue on the top of the wood slice and just attach the moss to it. So let's finish this part. So now that I'm done with the moss, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to rip off these little mushrooms off the stem and I'm going to hot glue them on the moss. This way it looks like they're growing out of the moss, just like it would in a little fairy tale type of scene. So let's finish. For the next step, we're going to use these butterfly stickers. They're also from the Dollar Tree. You can find them in the Crafter Square section. I'm going to use a bead. I think these are pony beads. They have them at the Dollar Tree where all the hair things are, and some jewelry string. It's the flexible, clear kind. You can get it at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or any craft supply store. I'm going to tie the string on the pony bead secure because this is how I want to attach the butterfly. I want it to look like the butterfly is floating over the mushrooms. So once I attach the string to the pony bead, I'm going to attach this inside the cloche, the top part of the cloche, with some hot glue. And this, I think, is the most difficult part. I mean, it's not really difficult, but you really have to get your hand inside the cloche and try and put it all the way to the top. So let's finish that part. I'm going to attach 2 of the butterfly stickers back to back, and in between them is going to be the jewelry string. This way they're going to look like they're floating. So I'm going to put the jewelry string in between both of them, and then I'm going to secure it with a little bit of hot glue. Now these are stickers and they have that little sticky tape to it, but just to make sure that it's secure, just a little dot of the hot glue. Now with some hot glue, we're going to attach the pony bead to the inside of the plastic cloche. So just add a little bit of the hot glue to the top part and then we're going to put it on inside the cloche, I should say, all the way to the top. So let's finish this. So I forgot to record this part. I actually didn't like the base to be white after all. So I did add a little bit of a brown acrylic paint. I mixed two together, a beige and a dark brown, to give it sort of that vintagey look, but I totally forgot to record it. So I'm just letting you know. So now that this is done, I actually added little flowers that I had. These are not from the Dollar Tree. I had them in my craft stash, and I just added them to add a little bit more. And all I'm going to do is place the wood slice inside the cloche, and that is it. And I'm loving the way that it's looking so far. Now, a finishing touch that I'm going to add to the cloche to the top. Most of the vintage cloches have a little sort of decorative piece on the top. So I'm going to use these stickers. They're from the Dollar Tree. They are paper. I did give it a coat of the brown acrylic paint just to tone down that gold. And I'm going to hot glue it to the top of the cloche. This way it looks like it has that, I don't even know how to explain it, but a lot of the cloches have those metallic or metal decorative pieces on the top. So that's what I want this to look like. So with some hot glue, I'm going to attach it to the top. Now this sticker is like a cardboard type of material, so it'll be fine. And on top of that, I'm going to add a little bead that I had, and that is all there is to this project. And then it will be ready to display. This project is done and I think it turned out super adorable. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.